The swing arm manipulator includes two parts, the body and a controller. The end of swing arm equipped with air pipe and an electromagnet circuit. You can choose to use suction cup grippers, pneumatic grippers, electromagnet grippers according to product characteristics. There is a pressure monitor above the arm, which displays the real air pressure when the manipulator is working. At the top of the manipulator is the signal indicator. When the green light is on, it indicates that the robot is in an automatic operation or pause. When the yellow light is on, indicates the manipulator is in a manual operation or debugging state. When the red light is on, it is accompanied by an alarm. It indicates the manipulator is in an abnormal state. The alarm can be reset manually when the manipulator turns into normal state. A vacuum pump behind the manipulator that provides pressure to the manipulator. At the bottom of the robot are 4 anti-slip foot pads with adjustable heights. On the front of the robot is the interfaces for connecting power supply, controller, communication, and various stamping equipment. The robot has 3 rotary axes and 2 linear axes. Rotary axis number 1 is called swing axis, and the whole arm can swing left and right 170 degrees respectively. Rotary axis number 2 is called revise axis, which can rotate the end of the arm about 360 degrees. Rotary axis number 3 is called overturn axis, and the arm can flip about 179 degrees. Linear axis number 1 is called up and down axis, which allows the arm to move 340 millimeters in the vertical direction. Linear axis number 2 is called front and rear axis, which allows the arm to move 530 millimeters back and forth